Hey, cyber starters. A lot of cybersecurity beginners lack the confidence, or I would say struggle with the confidence to apply for jobs because they feel they don't have the necessary skills and experience. But what if I told you there is a way to bridge that gap and gain hands-on skills? In today's video, I will be showing you how to use Forage job simulation to upskill yourself, build real-world projects, and also boost your confidence in the job market. So don't go anywhere. Let's dive in.
Okay. Hi and welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to access this free job simulation. So all you need to do is to go to search for free job simulation and you'll be able to see the Forage page. And when you click on this, it will land you it will land you here where you see all the magic, right? So we are going to select our interests, which is security. It will bring out all the simulations that you need on the cybersecurity, right? And you'll be able to choose the one you want to do. You can also filter this by checking for the company that you need. So let's search for PwC Switzerland. Okay, so you can see what our PwC Switzerland is offering. You can also see job simulations for MasterCard. Um, and this is the one for MasterCard. I did this before. So you have all the tags 1, tags 2, and these are all practical that you can learn and explain it if somebody is asking you about any experience. So this is what you learn from the simulation, and this is what you will do. So when you're done with all the tasks, you're going to be certified and you can put it out there and still give visibility to what you are currently doing. I want to encourage you that you can learn and you can apply the skills here. You can find simulations around risk management, simulations around cybersecurity management here and here. So that this concludes our videos for today. You can explore better. You can check out cybersecurity analyst. This is the 3 to 4 hour simulation. You can check from Datacom. You can also check Commonwealth Bank Introduction to Cybersecurity for maybe beginners. You can come here, learn skills, and explain your project using your LinkedIn profile and put yourself out there. So I can't wait to see the things that you're going to be doing from this platform. So thank you.
Okay, wow. I hope we learned a lot from that video. And one thing I can say to you is that when you're done learning and engaging with those simulations, put yourself out there. I'll be glad to come celebrate with you on LinkedIn. Okay, so kindly like our video, share and subscribe. See you next time. I remain Ikonke Godwin.